All right, here's another example on graphing a linear inequality system. Now it's going to have three inequalities. So this top one, x less than or equal to 6, is going to be a vertical line. So we go to 6 on the x-axis. And since it equals, it has a solid line. I'm going to write what that equation is of that line. And then I'm going to shade it. And saying x is less than or equal to, so less, left. The second inequality, y less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. So the y-intercept is 1. Our slope is 1/2. So we're going to go up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Down 1, left 2. This one is also going to be a solid line because it has that equal to symbol. And now when we shade this one, this is saying y is less than. So we're going to shade below, less, lower than that red line. The last one, y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. The y-intercept is 4. The slope is negative 2 over 1. So we're going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, or up 2, left 1. This also will be another solid line because it equals. Now we shade. This is saying greater than, so it's going to be above, greater, and now we find out where did the three intersect. So the region that intersects all three is that triangle right there in the purple. That is the solution to that linear inequality system. Now we have 4 inequalities. So I'm going to start with the top one. The top one is saying x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So that's going to be a vertical line at negative 2. Solid line. And I'm going to label that x equals negative 2. Now I'm going to shade. This is saying greater than. Greater than, the numbers are greater, the x's are greater to the right. The second one, x is less than or equal to 3. So on the x-axis, it's right 3. Another vertical solid line. And when we shade that one, this is saying less than or left. So you're starting to see the overlap of the green and yellow between the purple and red lines. I'm going to do this one next. It's a little easier. Y is less than or equal to 4. So now we're going to have a horizontal line. The slope is 0. The y-intercept is 4. Another solid line. Y equals 4. How we shade this one, that is saying y is less or below, less, below that blue line. Last one. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. So our slope is negative 1, and our y-intercept is 1. So we're going to go up 1 on the y-axis, and then do our slope, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, or up 1, left 1. Another solid line. I'm going to write what that equation is. And now we have to shade. So this is saying y is greater than or equal to. So it's going to be above that black line. So the solution where all 4 inequalities overlap to create our solution is this green area right in here.